Ready to sell your digital products but worried about disputes, data breaches, or legal claims? You can get covered today and start selling with total peace of mind. For a digital business that can include professional liability for client disputes, cyber liability for data breaches, and general liability for things like copyright or advertising claims. With Next Insurance, you can get a policy tailored to your business size, risk, and budget in minutes. Once you're covered, you'll have a digital proof of insurance you can share instantly, building credibility with clients and platforms from day one. When you know you're protected, you can focus on creating, marketing, and selling without worrying about what if something goes wrong. And if your products are PDFs, templates, or ebooks, pair that protection with PDF farming to automate your sales and delivery. Link for Next Insurance and PDF farming are in the description. Get covered today and start selling with confidence.